Do you practice the piano every day? I practice the piano every day. I don't practice the piano every day. Do you practice your English at home? I practice my English at home. I don't practice my English at home. Do you practice yoga in the morning? I practice yoga in the morning. I don't practice yoga in the morning. Do you practice your guitar chords? I practice my guitar chords. I don't practice my guitar chords. Do you practice speaking French? I practice speaking French. I don't practice speaking French. Do you practice your dance moves? I practice my dance moves. I don't practice my dance moves. Do you practice soccer with your friends? I practice soccer with my friends. I don't practice soccer with my friends. Do you practice playing the violin? I practice playing the violin. I don't practice playing the violin. Do you practice meditation daily? I practice meditation daily. I don't practice meditation daily. Do you practice your writing skills? I practice my writing skills. I don't practice my writing skills. Do you practice your drawing techniques? I practice my drawing techniques. I don't practice my drawing techniques. Do you practice swimming at the pool? I practice swimming at the pool. I don't practice swimming at the pool. Do you practice your singing lessons? I practice my singing lessons. I don't practice my singing lessons. Do you practice your tennis serves? I practice my tennis serves. I don't practice my tennis serves. Do you practice public speaking? I practice public speaking. I don't practice public speaking. Do you practice driving on weekends? I practice driving on weekends. I don't practice driving on weekends. Do you practice your karate moves? I practice my karate moves. I don't practice my karate moves. Do you practice spelling new words? I practice spelling new words. I don't practice spelling new words. Do you practice your painting skills? I practice my painting skills. I don't practice my painting skills. Do you practice playing chess? I practice playing chess. I don't practice playing chess. Do you practice your dance routine? I practice my dance routine. I don't practice my dance routine. Do you practice your golf swing? I practice my golf swing. I don't practice my golf swing. Do you practice your acting lines? I practice my acting lines. I don't practice my acting lines. Do you practice your typing speed? I practice my typing speed. I don't practice my typing speed. Do you practice your juggling skills? I practice my juggling skills. I don't practice my juggling skills. Do you practice making presentations? I practice making presentations. I don't practice making presentations. Do you practice playing basketball? I practice playing basketball. I don't practice playing basketball. Do you practice skiing in the winter? I practice skiing in the winter. I don't practice skiing in the winter. Do you practice playing the drums? I practice playing the drums. I don't practice playing the drums. Do you practice your football skills? I practice my football skills. I don't practice my football skills. Do you practice your skating tricks? I practice my skating tricks. I don't practice my skating tricks. Do you practice archery at the range? I practice archery at the range. I don't practice archery at the range. Do you practice magic tricks for fun? I practice magic tricks for fun. I don't practice magic tricks for fun. Do you practice surfing at the beach? I practice surfing at the beach. I don't practice surfing at the beach.